I pray they also gave me they gave you a little replacement LED light for the number pad.
No.
They didn't?
No, because that has to be, the whole keyboard has to be replaced.
Oh.
They didn't send a keyboard.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That can't be good. Oh. It's just a battery. That was close. Oh, there's my keyboard. There it is. So, let me do like for that to be replaced. Huh. Keyboard. I'm just filming all the different parts of my computer. Wow. Neato. Would have gotten fixed sooner, but as I said, I needed it for class. And I couldn't send it into Geek Squad because that would take 5 days, and I didn't really have that luxury of time.
That's fine.
Ooh, sorry. Yay, non-correct. Non-correct. Yay. Oh, that's nice.
That's what hand cream will do to you. Change your phone sound?
No.
Hello?
What?
I'm putting this up by the motion.
Alright. Ooh, is that dusty? Wow. Dusty. Yeah?
Oh, I just was interested in... All this intrigues me, but I don't understand a thing about it. Except that I can turn it on and sit and punch a few buttons and play a few games.
There's my old...
Where did you get this?
Oh, I've had this since before I had my computer, Mom. How many times have I told you that?
Oh.
This is my old audio control. And this is my new one. There's a battery again. Ugh.
You're putting in a new audio control?
Hey. I guess that was part of the LCD assembly, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So do you live here in Durham?
And I live in Raleigh.
Oh, uh-huh. No wonder you had a heart pop.
It's all brand new.
Huh?
It's not correct. Yay!
Oh, this is all cold and junk.
It's not junk.
So,
Keyboard, earbuds, battery.
gosh, how much hotter do you think it can get? Isn't it awful out there?
Yes, it is. It's hot.
Welcome to summer, folks.
Oh, man. I grew up in
Let's see. Yesterday was the 23rd.
Northeastern corner of
That was
Illinois
Wednesday.
that you can get without getting into Lake Michigan.
So,
Oh, okay.
As a
Tuesday would have
as
been the
a-
22nd.
Trevor, hush.
Yeah, summer just
As-
started Monday.
As a young girl, well, I
My new
guess
faceplate.
junior high, Trevor, junior high or so, I could ride my. We lived on the west side of town. And I could ride my bike all the way down to the lakefront,
Okay.
which was about 2 miles. Of course, coming back, we were going uphill with my girlfriend, so we sweated that one out, you know. But
Uphill both ways.
no, downhill going to the lake, uphill coming back, and I tell you, we had some cold winters up there.
I can imagine. Up there.
Most of summer did start Monday, so
Well, my husband said that he'd heard on the weather that it's supposed to break a little bit and get down into the mid-80s sometime next week. And I said, well, we've got to have a break from this. This is just, oh,
It's kind of warm out there.
kinda.
yeah.
We've already broken 100, I do believe, or close
I'm
to.
afraid, you know, if we're having this kind of weather in June, what's July and August going to bring us?
You ain't kidding.
Oh, man.
Again, welcome to summer, folks.
I know. I was stationed at Fort Bragg during my military career, and I went to India in '79.
India.
Yeah, and
Oh, wow.
I was over there for 9 weeks, and the temperature in the shade at that time was 110 degrees.
Oh, my. Now, was it humid or dry?
It was dry, hot.
Oh
God,
man, that
Okay,
must have
all
sucked.
it was terrible.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And
And then
no-
I suppose you had all kind of army gear on and everything.
yeah, we was over there doing some training with the Indian Army.
Uh-huh.
Training them on a few things. But I tell you what's true, it was terrible. And them guys out there walking barefoot, and we had our
Listen to
boots
that
on.
snap.
Oh, man.
Our feet were burning. They walk around barefoot like it won't nothing. I said, God, how can
Hey.
you take that?
Hey,
How can you do
they're
it?
used to that climate. They can do it. They can handle it. It's all evolution, folks.
I said, "Shit,
Evolution and adaptation.
that was just terrible.
I can even. Well, no, I can't
My
imagine
laptop
because I've
itself.
not been there and done it. But I can try to imagine. I know that there's been